Hey my loves, what's up? It's your girl Gigi, back again with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are OGs, welcome back. So you guys, by the title of this tutorial, you guys already know what I'm going to be reviewing. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm going to be reviewing the NIKKIETUTORIALS times BEAUTYBAY. This is their pressed pigment palette and it's her Glow Baby. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is what I'm going to be reviewing. Super, super cute, you guys. Super, super cute. This is the baby. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I'm super excited to show you guys the inside of the palette. You'll see my final thoughts in the end of the tutorial. As always, I'm going to give you guys a little sneaky peek. Period. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Just right off the bat, the packaging is gorgeous. I love how it's like a day and night type of thing. Do you know what I mean? It's like a colorful and then it's like a dark side, you know? It's really, really pretty. I love the packaging. It's like a cardboard feel. Love you. Very aww. So cute. So she has her, it says Glow Baby. Really cute. This is a pressed pigment palette. So these shadows are super pigmented, you guys. So it opens up like a book like this. Has a mirror right here, and this is like a close-up, I don't know, what is it, like a zoom kind of mirror. This side is just the regular side mirror, just a regular mirror. So I do like that she did that because sometimes we want to get real close, you know, and precise. That's cute. Oh my god, look how gorgeous it looks. Very, very pretty and pigmented. I'm super, super in love with the color scheme. So as always, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with how the shadows look. They are a pretty decent pan. So the names in here are just like all her and like something special to her, and that's cute. I like that. This is the box. It comes in glittery and it's black. And you can kind of feel the glitter a little bit. I like that. I like this little key thingy. It reminds me of like Alice in Wonderland, kind of like, I don't know. Is that weird? With every purchase, we were able to get a pop socket for our phones, and I'm so happy that I got this one because I was like, I hope I get this one. Like, I love pinks and purples, and this is just so cute. And it just says Nikkie and then a big B with a smiley face. So I think that's cute. That's cute. Okay. Alright, so this is a little pamphlet or a little card. And okay, so Redemption, which is the orange shade, is applied better with the brush, while Pride is best used with the brush and fingers. Let me see if there's any just with fingers. So yeah, that's cute. That's really, really cute that she had this because, you know, some of us don't really know these are pressed pigments, so they're really pigmented. So yeah. So I've been doing a lot of half cut creases, and to tell you the truth, those are my favorite. I feel like they go good with my eye shape, and since I have hooded eyes, I don't know, I just feel like it looks best on me. But also, cut creases are like a fun thing, and I do struggle a little bit with them because of my hooded eyes. So I do cut them above, so. Alright, so I'm going to just start by priming the eye, just taking my P. Louise and Mama Mitchell Blank Canvas, and going straight in with that bomb shade Amsterdam. Oh my god, that blue shade is pigmented, and I already knew I wanted to do something with the blue, so I'm super, super excited. And I'm just going to take that, extend it, like, you know, like kind of curve it. I don't know how to explain it. You know what I mean, right? So once I'm finished packing that on, I'm going to use that Morphe M507 brush and just further blend that shade, and yeah, just start extending it for a full cut crease. And yeah, I love this brush so much. I think this brush is just really amazing, especially for hooded eyes, if you have smaller eyes. But yeah, and now I'm going to go in with Ill. I love that shade. It's so pretty, and I thought they would go perfect together, and I love the color combination of it. Going back with Amsterdam, and I'm just blending that out, that way it's no harsh lines. So getting ready to cut the crease, and I'm taking my cut crease brush from a cut crease kit from the Glam Supply, and I'll have everything down below. So taking the Beauty Creations liquid liner in Money Moves and Anastasia glitter, sorry. So taking Amsterdam, and I'm just creating like a second wing, yeah, and then taking Ill to just blend that out and going a little above, and then taking the liner again just to create a line. And then I did put I put glitter again next to that liner, taking the Laura Geller mascara. How I prep my skin. So this is the same products that I've been using and my favorites. So that's a Tatcha Silk Canvas that I love, pushing into the skin. Taking my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue, and I'm in the shade 123. Well, I'm pretty much not in the shade 123 anymore. I think I'm 124 or 125. Yeah, summer got me super tanned. To dot it all over my face, and then taking my favorite Wet n Wild beauty sponge. It's only $3, guys. Get yours because I be getting all of them every time I see them. After my concealer and foundations on and everything, I look pale as hell. You see how that? So taking Tantour medium, yeah, and that's pretty dark for me. I feel like it's too, I don't know. I'm gonna use it because why not? But it does make my cheeks really like sucked up, and I really like that. And the Easy Bake powder, it smells really, really bad. You guys already know. Like the powder, it just smells really bad. But I'm gonna use that. I'm still gonna use it because I do like it. So I just sprayed my face with Dewy Set, and I'm just cutting my contour. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I just need to do my highlight, which I wanted to do my highlight with you because it's so bomb. The highlighter that I've been obsessed with lately, it's the Be Perfect times Stacey Marie collection, and it's the Soft Silk. It's like the Get Wet collection. This is the Get Wet collection. I'm so obsessed with this highlighter, you guys. I'm going little by little because this highlighter is pretty intense, and it does do what it says. It's wet. So I heard that you're supposed to apply it with a sponge, but yeah, I just apply it with my brush, which is fine. Oh, okay. All right, okay, I see that. So I'm super excited and also kind of sad because I placed an order for Juvia's Place and for some lipsticks and a lip gloss. The ones that I got, it's been a complete mess. I'm sad because I do love Juvia's Place. I really like their eyeshadows, and I don't know, because I got my package. I was so excited. I waited like kind of long, and it was an order of like a palette, foundation, concealer, and I'm like, what? So I took a picture and I emailed them. It took another 3 weeks. I got my stuff, but guess what? I'm missing one more thing. It's my lip liner. So I'm pretty sad and bummed out. So nonetheless, I am excited to try their products because, like I said, I love their stuff. So for today, I got the lipstick in Toffee and Lady, and then I got the lip gloss in Caramel Rose, and I got the lip liner in, ¿cómo se llama? Cola. Since I don't have the lip liner, I'm going to be using the KKW lip liner in Nude 2. I feel like that's like the closest color. I'm not sure though. The packaging is super, super cute. It's just like a ombre pink, and with Juvia's on top. Again, this is the shade Lady. I love the shape of the lipstick. You guys see this shape? I think that's cute. I got this lipstick because it's like a peachy nude. Yeah. So I thought that was like a unique color. So again, just lining my lips after the fact. These lipsticks are matte. So let me do a swatch for you guys on my hand. Gonna do that. Looks like this. And so the lip gloss that I got was the Caramel Rose. It's this color right here. Because it's a darker type of lip gloss. It's really pigmented. Dang, I love it. I'm gonna use my, what is this one called? So this one's the Dose of Colors. I love this one. It's Honey, I'm Home. Yeah. All right, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks really, really cute. I love the full cut crease. You guys already know I do my half cut creases the most. So my final thoughts on this palette is, obviously, I'm gonna say yes. It's beautiful, and I'm so proud. Congratulations, NIKKIETutorials, because she did that. She really did that. And BEAUTYBAY, their shadows are really good as well. It's very, very pretty, very pigmented. You guys have your shimmers and your mattes. I think this is a great combo. I think you guys need it in your life. If you guys don't have any like colorful palettes like this, you guys need it. So let's do some swatches. So for the first shade that I'm going to be swatching is called Redemption. Yeah, it's like the orangey one. I think this is pretty. And again, remember you guys, swatches are completely different the way it's going to work with or on your eyes, so keep that in mind. The next shade that I'm going to be taking is VAL, the yellow shade right here. Let's do that right here. So that's that right there. Ew, I like that color right there. I use it for transition for the color Amsterdam, so that one's pretty. Super. Look at how pigmented that one is. Let's see. Okay, that's that. So these are very pigmented. They're pressed powders, pressed pigments. So just keep that in mind. Like this. The next shade that I'm going to be swatching is called Slasher. And it's like the burgundy shade, which I'm super hyped to try that one out. So that one's that one. Sorry for my swatches. They are crazy. Let's swatch Amsterdam. It's the royal blue one right there. It's really pretty. Let's try out Aurora. Oh my god, I already know I'm gonna love this shade. Oh, yeah. Super, super freaking pretty. You guys are gonna be obsessed. This one's really pretty. Let's try Pride, which I think that's like my favorite shade out of all the colors. I wanna say. Oh my god, yes. It's like a Barbie pink shimmer. It's all in. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is that color. Okay, that's all in. Do you see that? I swatched it twice. Ah, you guys, look how pretty. Nikkia? It's the red one. Whoa, that one's pigmented. Oh, dang. Okay. So that one's that one. I think it looks really pretty, very pigmented. It's going to be super bomb on the eyes. Baby blue. It's like a baby periwinkle blue, kind of. But it's very light. Hold on. It looks like almost white. But it's blue. It's this one right here. I'm going to swatch it again. So on some people, it's going to look different. So this is what it looks like. And that's all for the swatches. I'm not going to swatch all the shades. So you get 20 shades in here, which I think it's good. It's good enough because you could do so many looks using these shades, these shimmers. Girl, yes. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys how much it costs. I can't remember. I think it was like $35, I want to say. Don't quote me on it. I don't know if they're going to restock. I feel like they are, you know. They said that they're not, but I feel like they are, you know. I think there's like another batch or something, but once that's over, it's done. Ew. It doesn't say how much I paid for it. I think it was like $35, the palette, which I think is a perfect price. I think she didn't want to do like too much or too expensive, and you get 20 shades, 20 high pigmented shades, so I think it's worth it. I think you guys should get it if you guys are looking or wanting to get it. I think yes, but I'll have everything linked down below, so you guys could, like, you know, you guys can know. So make sure you guys sign up for their insider. That way you guys get notified every time, you know. I hope you guys like this look. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Until my next tutorial. Bye, guys.